Hi guys, so today for Test It Out Tuesday, we are going to be testing out the Stitch Fix subscription service. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my main objective here is to help you get style and confidence in the items you wear, in the products you use, in just feeling great about yourself. So today, let's get right into the unboxing. We are going to jump right in and open this box up. It has been so long since I did a Stitch Fix box. And to be honest with you, I wasn't in love with it the last time I got it. So at the end of this, I'll give you my full thoughts on whether I thought it was worth it or not. So this is what it comes looking like. And if I remember correctly, yes. So these are the cards that tell you different ways you can style the items. And I'm keeping it faced away from me because I don't want to see what the items are, because I want to know as I go through. So this here is the paperwork with the receipt and tells you how much each item is. Let's see. So first things first, it feels like a pair of shoes. Oh, these are cute. I had actually considered buying a pair. These are from Keds by Keds for Kate Spade. These are actually really cute. They're super soft. Okay, now I'm excited about these. Okay, I'm totally excited about these. I'm gonna go through, show you everything. This is the bag to send anything back in that you don't like. And then this comes sealed and wrapped up. Let's move this box. We'll go through this a little bit easier. So this is sealed. I'm going to use the same thing and open it up. I'll show you everything. Then I'll talk about pricing while I try it on. So let's unwrap this. Whoa! All right. So this is the stack of clothing I got. First thing, this is actually really cute. I like the print. Let me rephrase that. So, okay, so it's a wrap shirt. Here's the downside. Alrighty. I hate this type of sleeve because it always gets in my food and things like that. But I like the print and it's super soft. So we'll have to see. Then this is, what is this? So it looks like an off the shoulder sweater or sweatshirt. That's cute. Like that army green color. And then pretty rust colored cardigan. And then a pair of, who are these by? Liverpool. Never heard of that brand. It's kind of a shiny pair of, it's in between like the Spanx faux leather leggings and a pair of traditional jeans. They've got a good amount of stretch to them, so I'm excited. They are leggings. There we go. Didn't know that. So I'm excited to try those on. Here's the key thing. Yep. I always check leggings when they have pockets to see if they're actual pockets. So the back ones are actual ones, the front ones are not. So we will try these on, and depending on price and how they fit, because I do own a couple pairs of Spanx faux leather leggings. So we will see. So let's try it all on. So I'm going to start out talking about the cardigan. The cardigan is a great burnt orange kind of color. It is in a size medium. The length is nice. It is a lightweight cardigan, definitely good for layering and things like that. It is very comfortable, very stretchy. It does not have pockets, which I tend to gravitate towards. And it's just very cute. It's $38. I mean, realistically, for $38, it's a really cute, nice cardigan. Next up, let's talk about these leggings. These leggings are from a brand called Liverpool. They are in a size 10 or a size 30. They definitely have the give to them. They sit right about where the belly button is. Again, as I mentioned, no pockets here, but they do have pockets in the back. They have more like extra material, I guess is the best way to say it, than my Spanx leggings. They are $78. Realistically, if I'm going to wear something like this, I'm going to spend the extra money and get my Spanx leggings. I love those hands down. These are cute. They're nice. If they were jeans, I might consider it, but for leggings, I just always go with my Spanx leggings. Now let's talk a little bit about these shoes. These shoes are so comfy. I love the look of these. I think they're super cute. They are in an 8.5, which is my true size. They're very squishy bottoms. They're like, it's hard to explain. They're very cushiony, very cute. They are $110. So let's say this. Typically, I would not spend that on a pair of slide sneakers, but I'm seriously contemplating these because I've never owned a pair that are this comfortable. Plus, I mean, just throw it on like I have it on now, and it adds a little something when I'm running around with MJ or doing school stuff. Next up is this knit sweater, they're calling it. I would say it's definitely much more of a cross between a sweater and a sweatshirt. It's interesting. I wanted to love it, but it's a little bit too slouchy. I do have a bra on with it, which the nice side is it matches right up with my bra strap. It's okay, like the length is fine. I'm just not, the sleeves are a little bit like, you know, your arm sits like this, like if I want it under my arm, it's just, I don't know, something about it is not comfortable on me. It is a size medium, it is $48. I mean, I like it overall, the look of it, but it just, I don't know, I don't feel right in it. All right, guys, I'm holding this at the center because this is just, I like a good wrap top, but I already mentioned this sleeve is totally not me, not my thing. I love the print. This is too small on me. I can feel it. It is super tight in through my shoulders, in through here, and then it's super, super big up through here, but it's tied as tight as it can go around the waist, and it's perfect down here, but nothing else about this works. This shirt is in a size medium, and it is $78, but nope, this does not work for me. All right, guys, so coming back at you with my final thoughts on all of this. I mean, this sweater is the one thing I'm kind of debating, and the thing that is putting me off is the fact that it doesn't have pockets. Every time I buy a cardigan that doesn't have pockets, I regret it. So I love it. It feels like a really soft t-shirt. It's just so cozy, and I love the color of it, but that whole no pocket thing is just getting to me. It's a great price point. It's only $38. But realistically, 100%, I think the only thing I am keeping are the shoes. I'm obsessed with them. I will see if I can find a link for them online. But let's talk about Stitch Fix. Now, they did send the cards, and I remember I used to keep these, and it tells you different ways to style the actual items. And they use these shoes in a couple of the outfits. I think it's actually one, I take that back, in one of the outfits right down here with the sweatshirt, and they do use the pants in two of them. So it's kind of hard because I feel like they got my style. However, it was little things that made this box not work for me. That being things such as the pants, I had already had a pair similar, and it wasn't worth it to me. The cardigan was just the pocket, to be honest with you, and I'm still debating on that. The wrap top was just a fit issue. It just didn't fit me properly. And same thing with the green sweater slash sweatshirt. It was just an off fit. If it fit correctly, I would have loved both the blouse and the sweater sweatshirt. The skinny pants, if I didn't have a pair of leggings that were almost exactly the same, I mean, really the only difference was these had pockets and had a little bit more give to them. They weren't as slimming. I would have liked those. So I do find, and I will bring this up, a lot of times with these subscription services, I personally have trouble with them only because I already have so many clothes. So most of these things that I am sending back, I'm not sending back because it's bad quality or it didn't fit my style. It just had something else to do with it. I do also want to show you the checkout process and how that goes. You actually go through and you kind of fill out a questionnaire as to whether you're keeping it. You can exchange it, which is super nice. They used to not do that. Or if you are going to return it. And then whether you keep it, exchange it, or return it, they want to know some information about that. So you can go through, you can tell them how it fit, what your thoughts were on the pricing, all the information they are looking for. And then there's also a notes section, and you can tell them a little bit more about it. Like I told them on that printed blouse, I loved the print of it, but I just didn't like the fit. It didn't work on my body type. It was just kind of all over the place. I told them on the cardigan that I loved it, but it didn't have pockets. These are all very simple notes you can put. And then at the very end, they ask you what you think about Stitch Fix, what you think about the stylist you had. Would you continue with that stylist? Would you change your stylist? So on and so forth. And then you're able to check out. This makes it so simple. Then you put everything back in that bag, drop it off, and you are good to go. So overall, I really liked it. I'll probably do it again. I mean, no time soon. I think the last one I did was about 2 years ago, but it's a really neat, fun service. Now, I have done other services. I have done Material Box, which is designer used items. I do Nordstrom Trunk. That is probably my favorite subscription service. And I also did another one, I think it was called the Daily Look. So if you are interested in seeing a Nordstrom one, I'll put one over here. And if you're interested in seeing a Material Box one, I'll put one over here. And let's see if we can fit another one down here with the Daily Look. So that way you can get a better idea of all those subscription services. And I will link all of those below as well. As always, guys, if you are not yet subscribed, I'd love if you clicked the photo of me right over here and followed along. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.